Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and in today's video I'll be sharing with you all my Amazon haul. So I got all of these items in here. Now Amazon is having their Prime Day sale from 6th to 7th of August and this is the best time to shop for skincare, hair care, appliances, gadgets and home decor. This is the best time to shop. Plus in today's video I'll also tell you all how you can become a smart shopper and earn a lot of cash back while you're shopping online or skincare, hair care, appliances, gadgets, beauty and a lot more. So if you want to know my simple trick to save a lot of money, then please continue watching. Now be it kitchen items, food, home decor, appliances or even beauty or skincare, you can get massive cashbacks and rewards if you use this one simple online shopping trick, which is Cash Karo. Now Cash Karo is India's largest cashback giving websites and they offer cashbacks and rewards over 1500 plus websites. The best part being that you can earn extra cashbacks and rewards over and above existing discounts and offers which are being offered by these online retailers. So that is like Sone Pe Suhaga, right? Cash Karo cashback is real cash and can be transferred into your bank account or can even be converted into Amazon gift vouchers. So let's begin with all that I got from Amazon. A lot of you keep asking me about my beauty tools and to try out some good affordable tools from Amazon. So that's exactly what Nidhi did. So very first I picked up these beautiful face brushes from Miniso. So both of these cost for just rupees 250 and if you use Cash Karo then obviously you're gonna get even more discounts on these existing deals, right? So the very first one I'll show over here is this one. This is the Miniso Profine blender brush. This is actually a blush brush, yeah. So that is how it looks like. It looks so fancy. The packaging is really good and the product quality, to be true, is so good. Is nice chrome silver plated. Bristles are so soft, you guys. They are so soft. I absolutely love the quality. It does not feel cheap or flimsy at all. It feels really nice. The brush is really soft. I give it a 10 on 10. Second brush I picked up was again from Miniso. Now this one is known as their Profine Precision Sculpting brush. Now this is basically an angled brush which you can use for blending your foundation, your concealer, your cream contour, because it does have that angle given to it. Again, the bristles are supremely soft. Love the quality, I must say. You would not regret buying these brushes. These are so worth it. And yeah, that was the second brush that I got. Now Cash Karo is giving minimum rupees 50 rewards when you make your first transaction on Amazon via Cash Karo and up to 4.5% rewards across all categories. Now this is huge. I have mentioned all of the products in the description box with their link so that even you can shop these products at steal prices and earn extra cash back via Cash Karo. Now what you have to do is very simple. Just click on the product link given in the description box and tap on the orange button to sign up on Cash Karo. Now click on the orange button and you would be redirected to the specific product on Amazon. Here just purchase the products with free cashback from Cash Karo. It is that simple. You would get the same product with extra cashback and this cashback can be transferred into your bank account or can be converted into Amazon gift vouchers. So the next product that I got was this. Now this was requested by so many of you guys to try out the Color Bar sponge. So I finally got it. This is the Color Bar Blend Etude Beauty Sponge and that is how it looks like. Again, this is very affordable. It just retails for 170 rupees, I guess. And that is how it looks like. I chose the black variant and okay, this one is really soft and squishy and good quality. I'm really excited to try this one out because it is a branded sponge and affordable at the same time. So yeah, that was the third thing that I got from Amazon. Next set of brushes I called out for were these. Now these are a set of 12 eye makeup brushes and I was very excited when I saw the photograph on Amazon because this set has so many shapes and sizes of blending brushes, which is actually very essential kind of brush for your eye makeup game to rock. And I was very happy when I actually received it because the quality is up to the mark and if you hear the price you will be shocked. I got this set of 12 eye makeup brushes for just rupees 280. Like 280, dude. I did not expect a lot from it at all, but still they are so good. So that is the beige kind of packaging. You get nice soft blending brushes into it an angled brush, another fluffy blending brush, you get a small shader brush, and this one is long tapered fine blending for precision blending. I absolutely love these kind of brushes. You get another small pointed shader brush, then you get an angled fluffy brush which you can use for your outer V. This is an angled brush which you can use for your eyebrow filling or for drawing your wing liners. This is again a fluffy brush which can be used for your concealer blending. Again, a flat brush which can be used for applying color all over your lid or for contouring your nose, your lips, for fine contouring. This kind of brushes are really good. Then you also get a straight cut brush which you can use for cleaning your eyebrows or for packing colors underneath your eyes or for detailed work for your eyeshadow. These kind of brushes are like my go-to. And finally you get a tapered bullet blending brush. Like, oh my god, a kind of variety of brushes you get, and that too for just ₹280, and I feel like right now they are for even lesser. Plus with Cash Karo you're gonna get for even lesser. Those were the 12 eyeshadow brushes I got. I was shook by the quality and the kind of bristles it has, because like dude, for so cheap you're getting so good brushes. You must buy, guys. These are like very inexpensive and good for the price that you're paying for. Product I got was these are facial razors. Now I like to shave the extra hair like I have over here on my face, and for those things I really like these kind of facial razors. And this one is made in India razor, so I could not get those twinkle ones, so I called out for this one. Again, this one was very cheap for a set of 6 razors. After that, what I got were some organizers. So the very first organizer is this. It is so cute, you guys. Now this is actually a cutlery organizer which you can use for your kitchen, for organizing your cutlery items, but I got this for my brushes. So as this has 4 compartments into it, I can organize my makeup brushes like my eyeshadow brushes, my face brushes, my blending brushes, my dirty brushes, in that order. And you know, organizers like these just make our life so much easier. Absolutely loved how it is. Again, this is a made in India product and it does not feel very cheap plastic. It is nice and thick kind of plastic, so I love it. Next organizer I called out was this acrylic organizer, in which you can, you know, store your favorite lipsticks or eyeliners, kajals, primers, powders, or stuff that, you know, just like random jewelry items or something that you use on a daily basis. So that is how the organizer looks like. I personally like these kind of acrylic organizers because, you know, you can actually see your products and organize your lipsticks and brushes and compact powders and everything over here, and this is gonna make your you know, wardrobe fancy. And this one was again very cheap for 330 something rupees. I got this, again very cheap but good quality. Cash Karo offers cashbacks over 1500 plus websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Ajio, and even Mamaearth. And also using Cash Karo is very simple, requires 2 steps only. So just you have to do is click on the first link given in the description box and make your account on Cash Karo. So once you have made your account, just search for Amazon or any website of your choice. So click on the orange button and then tap on the visit retailer button. Now this would take you to the website of your choice. So once you are there, you can just shop normally as you would do and add the products to your cart and make a transaction. You can use any payment method, even COD, and utilize coupons or discounts that are going on the website. After placing the order, check the My Earnings section of your Cash Karo account where the cashback or rewards will get reflected. Now cashback will be in pending and will get confirmed in a few days if you do not cancel or return your order. Once the cashback or reward in your wallet reaches ₹250, you can transfer the entire amount to your bank account or convert it into Amazon gift vouchers. Last product that I got is like my dream product that I got, so I would insert a video of the product. Basically, I got a 5-drawer organizer set. Now this is like such a portable organizer. You just have to, you know, put those legs into one another and stack those drawers into it, and tada, you're done with your own organizers. It is so good quality. This is one of the drawers of that organizer. I cannot bring the complete organizer here because it is heavy and heighted, so I'll show you the video, but The quality, the plastic is really good, and I actually really loved this purchase from Amazon. Like, it was totally worth the penny. It looks so classy. Though it is plastic, it does not seem like. Now all of my makeup is going to be organized, and I would not end up in losing one or the other product every third day. So yes, that was the last and the best purchase that I did from Amazon, and I would also highly recommend you all to try out Cashkaro at least once and see the magic yourself. You would also get ₹25 when you sign up with the link given in the description on your first purchase. And the best part about Cashkaro is that sale or no sale, you would always get cashbacks and rewards when you shop online via Cashkaro. So yes, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this Amazon haul. If you did, then hit that like button and do subscribe before leaving. I would meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.